Racing just started. We have Starbucks Fancy. First to show quickness at the start. Brown Baby is down on the inside. Copacabana is racing in third. La Cienega comes next. While Moscovado is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Starbucks Fancy by about 2 lengths. And in second is Brown Baby. 3 lengths or rather 6 lengths further back in third comes Copacabana. La Cienega comes next, running by the release Moscovado. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Starbucks Fancy by about 2 lengths, and in second is Brown Baby. Copacabana now racing in third, La Cienega, while Moscovado is still racing in less than at a far turn. We have Starbucks Fancy by about 3 lengths. Copacabana now moving up to take second. Brown Baby, then here comes Moscovado now moving up on the outside. La Cienega comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Copacabana by about 3 lengths. Moscovado now in second. Starbucks Fancy, La Cienega, Brown Baby in the middle. Last 100 meters. Copacabana, Moscovado now moving up on the outside, but it's still Copacabana. Moscovado is on the outside, and finally it's a close finish between Copacabana and Moscovado.